Greeting from Joy-Based Louis McCord, Washington. I'm Chaplain Niphon Sukuan. At this moment, many soldiers take leave during block leave. I'm here in my office. I would like to encourage everyone to get to know our own mind during downtime in the block leave. Have you ever heard the word of monkey mind? For me, monkey mind is not the mind of the monkey, but it's my own mind. Because the mind itself jump around, jump to the past, jump to the future, mostly struggling with painful incident in the past and uncontrolled scenario in the future. Today, I would like to encourage everyone to come back to look at what's going on in our mind, get to know our own monkey mind. Have we trained our mind enough to be healthy, maintain mental health in an appropriate way? I have this little Buddha image. It's not actually like a Buddha, but it's like a novice monk. So to remind me about meditation daily, turn our inner eye to see what's going on inside daily, at least 5 minutes a day. We watch news and then sometimes we get upset, we feel frustration. And now, I would like to encourage you and invite you to join me to watch your own mind, listening to your own mind from inside and see what's going on. How can you be with who you are in an appropriate way, at least 5 minutes a day, so we can be kind to our monkey mind in order to be kind to the mind of others. Let's take a pause and learn how to be kind to our mind, and then we can be kind to the mind of others. Time to care to self and one another. Current pandemic still going on, civil unrest still going on. Take a break from news outside and then check on the news inside. We see what happened from within. May all be well, healthy, safe, and peaceful. Thank you.